I found a product that's making thousands of dollars with only 1,000 competitors, and I haven't seen anybody talking about it on YouTube.
I absolutely love this video, but I want to show you why I love it and I want to break it down. But first, I need you to think bigger. Think bigger than just what you're going to see him show you how to do in that video. And honestly, he is showing you how to do it, but he's not really showing you how to do it in the detail that is required to actually do it. It's more focused on the production value of the video and being fast-paced and highly edited, and then moving really quick so he can keep the video under 10 minutes to say, look how much money you can make with this great thing that I found that nobody else is doing under 10 minutes. Nothing wrong with that, but I want to dive a little deeper so you can think bigger as an entrepreneur, as a marketer, specifically as a marketer that creates content, specifically here on YouTube, creating helpful how-to videos that you can use as a traffic source to make money. Here today in what I call the modern day gold rush.
So today I'll show you step by step how to start a similar business in under 10 minutes with the help of AI. From planning the product and coming up with ideas in a matter of clicks to designing the final product and making it look professional.
Again, back to the rapid, fast-paced editing, showing you the research that he's done and then moving on to showing you or to saying, I'm going to show you how to do this. And then he's actually going to move into showing you how to do it. Excellent production value. But you as a marketer, you as a content creator, and I'm going to show you how I've done this in the past myself with a different channel, not 30-minute marketing, focused with creating content, helpful how-to content here on YouTube to sell products as an affiliate by simply learning how to do something, then doing it, and then teaching others how to do it as well in a little different style video than the video that I love and that does an excellent job of getting people hyped up for the idea or the concept behind doing this process of what he's showing you in the video.
Now, if you search for crystal meaning cards on Etsy, you'll notice very low competition. And if we look deeper, we'll see many of these listings are getting new sales consistently. Even if we go on Amazon and search for the same product, we'll notice low competition with high demand.
Here again, fast-paced, delivering value, showing you how to do research, talking about competition, and getting your wheel spinning, thinking, yeah, this is something I can definitely do.
Now that we know what the design should include, we can head to ChatGPT and ask the following. Create 10 printable crystal meaning cards that include the following.
Now, at this point in the video, he is moving on to even deeper here in the modern day gold rush, and he is directing you to ChatGPT or artificial intelligence and telling you now you don't need to do any of the work. ChatGPT is going to do it all for you. Again, I love this video. It is a brilliant piece of storytelling, how he has cut it up, chopped it up, and of course with the editing skills that he has or that he has outsourced, he is telling you a story that is keeping your attention and also letting you know how simple or easy this could possibly be, keeping you right there in the middle of it saying, yes, this is definitely something that I can do. Again, we're going to go into this deeper, but at this point, I want to show you a book, or I'll show you the front of the book. And I've talked about this book here on the channel. And this isn't me telling you to go create books. This is me telling you to tap into what he's doing, but go a little deeper. Think bigger. Think of yourself as a content creator, creating content, useful how-to content. And just like what he's showing you here, how to do the research, you can actually learn how to do this. You can do this, and then you can teach other people how to do it. And you can tap into the gold rush right here on YouTube, just like he's done, just like I've done with this book. And I'm going to show you the channel and exactly how I did that at the end of this video. But before we do that, let's dive back into this video and see a little more of how this works for him and how we can use what's working for him to work for us.
By creating a new design on Canva using your preferred dimensions, and then upload all of the images with the background removed. So looking at the template, I'm planning to put the name of the stone at the top, followed by the meaning and the image. And at the bottom, we can put the description and the affirmation quote.
At this point, he is showing you how to, or how he's planning to do the book. He's showing you the tool inside of Canva, and he's very quickly cut up the video, and he's making those quick edits saying, I plan on doing this, doing this, doing this. And he showed you the tool. So yes, technically he showed you the how-to, but for most people, this video is way too fast-paced, and it is not the intent of this video to actually show you how to, but it's focused on the what to, what to do so you can get the result, which is the big money shot that he showed you on the thumbnail. Nothing wrong with that. Again, I love the video, but I want you to love the video for the same reason that I do, to think bigger and actually utilize what he's done, the process that he's doing, watch the video, get hyped about it, and then take the process that I'm about to show you and the way that I've done it and the way that you can do it to make simple how-to videos that go a little deeper and honestly give you the real foundation for a profitable online business that is going to last longer than the type of channel that he's created once the hype of the AI or the boom of the AI gold rush starts to nosedive a little bit. If you focus on what it is I show you in my top strategy of how to build a profitable online business, which I'm going to show you one here at the end of this video, exactly how I did it, and show you the channel so you can check it out. But understand, I love this video. I love the fact that he is showing you how to do it, but I'm not focused on, or the focus for me is not on what he's telling you to do in the video. It's him showing you what he can do in the video, or just having an idea of what can be done and you thinking bigger and taking it to the next step and actually learn how to do it, and then teach people how to do it. And then you tapping into the gold rush by doing the thing to make money. And then also, like they used to do, or the old idiom of selling shovels during a gold rush, you can actually make more money. In this case, what we're going to do is we're going to dig for gold by doing the thing, just like he showed you with Etsy and creating those cards using Canva and AI. We're going to learn how to create those. We're going to do it, and then we're going to teach people or show them our successes and our failures by simply documenting the journey. And again, being an entrepreneur and a marketer, a content marketer, and also an affiliate marketer, so we can tap into that gold rush, sell some of those tools, sell some of those digital shovels, just like what he's done here in his video.
But for this product, let me show you how to stand out by selling crystal cards as physical wall art. Because I searched for that on Etsy, and I couldn't find any listing offering crystal meaning wall art, which could be a great opportunity for you. The best way to start with the lowest cost possible is by using Printify, which is, in my opinion, the best print-on-demand platform.
At this point in the video, he's taking you through the process of Etsy, Canva, using AI, ChatGPT, showing you how easy it's going to be and all the work's going to be done for you. But now he's actually throwing another element into the mix, and he's saying, oh yeah, by the way, you've done all this hard work, or I've showed you exactly what to do to make all this money. But guess what? I've got something even better for you. Printify. Of course, this video, the video I love and I'm sharing with you, was actually sponsored. It's a paid sponsorship from Printify, and he also has a link in the description to Printify. But again, it's a paid sponsorship. So he is doubling down on getting paid by Printify, starting off at the beginning, linking out to other resources, and then also showing you and grabbing your attention with the current trend of AI, and then showing you how you can do this with an offer or with a product that you can create that has low competition but high demand, or what he perceives to be or could be high demand. All in all, the video is designed and it's meticulously crafted and it's edited in a way, again, either through the skill that he has or the skill that he's outsourced, into keeping it under 10 minutes, fast paced, keeping your attention, and the fact that he is going to ride the wave of the attention that is currently AI, the gold rush for what it is, and he is tapping into views and he is tapping into paid sponsorship with the promotion from Printify. All these things you need to be thinking about as a marketer, but the focus, in my opinion, is thinking and saying, what can I do? What can I learn? What can I do? What can I teach? And then how can I simply do it here on YouTube? And at that point, I want to take you back to this book and I want to show you exactly what I did and my thinking and the way that I set up a channel to show people how to create a book like this. I learned how to do it, I did it, and then I taught others, and I was able to join the YouTube Partner Program, as well as sell these books, and also other books that I created and other things that I learned as I learned how to do self-publishing. But my thinking was a little bigger and a little more long-term. Of course, at this point, I have now sold this channel, but I want to show you exactly what I did. What I did was created this channel publisher report that almost now has 5,000 subscribers. It is about 3 years old, and you can see here how to publish or how to self-publish your first book, step-by-step tutorials for beginners. And I continue to just make videos about this simple process of publishing or creating and publishing a book on Amazon. You can also check out here within the last year, I've had some very popular videos with 18,000, 17,000, and 15,000 views respectively. And this all happened because of my top strategy. Identifying a traffic source, which is YouTube, creating helpful how-to videos here on YouTube, and then letting people know about an offer, and the offer being, like you saw in the video that we've covered here, when he was showing you the crystal cards you were going to show on Etsy or sell on Etsy, the offer is to check out Canva. Canva has a pro subscription. You can become an affiliate, and that is going to be your offer. But ultimately, the big idea here in the top strategy is to build an email list with people that see your traffic in the form of helpful how-to videos here on YouTube, and then ultimately see your offer, click on your link as an affiliate, and then you make money, and then add people to an email list so you can follow up with them with more offers. Like I said, love the video and everything that he did to show people how to do the thing that he wanted to show them, which was essentially to get hyped up and to watch his video, to share it, to like it, to comment on it, and to really think outside the box when it comes to creating things that other people might not be creating. And that was the angle for him as a YouTuber, was to create a video that would trend up and, let's just say, go viral. What I want you to do is I want you to focus on a long-term approach, utilizing the top strategy. And I'm not saying you can't create videos that get tons of views. I had videos that got quite a few views, but the focus and the point was, for me as a marketer, was to create that helpful how-to content to drive people to my offers, for me as an affiliate to make money in the form of affiliate commissions, but ultimately to build a following, add them to an email list. And if you'd like to see exactly how this works and the way that I do it, click on the video you see on the screen right now. I look forward to seeing you in that video, and I'll talk to you then. Bye.